it will be more viscous. And this granitic magma never comes up. ये क्या करेगा? It will remain within the earth, but further it uplifted what? Himalayas, greater Himalayas. And इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Intrusive. ये magma बाहर नहीं आएगा, अंदर ही रह जाएगा. Extrusive नहीं होगा. It will be intrusive granitic magmatic eruption further uplifted what? Greater Himalayas. So if pressure is more, then this granitic magma through intrusive granitic magmatic eruption further uplifted which one? Greater Himalayas. And it is known as this. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Shall I remove this? It means what happened? Yes, tell me. It means core of Greater Himalaya is what? Igneous rock. Which rock? Core of Greater Himalaya is which rock? Igneous rock. And highly pressurized also. So igneous rock, and that is which one? Granitic. It is known as central crystalline axis. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Central crystalline axis. Understood? So बाहर से तो Greater Himalaya sedimentary rock का बना हुआ है, but interior part of Greater Himalaya is what? Granitic. And it is very hard. So therefore, Greater Himalaya is very hard. Understood it? Clear? So further collision causes buckling and depositing of this one, and then thereafter this granitic magmatic eruption through this one, Greater Himalayas further uplifted. And then it means central crystalline axis. Understood? पहले कौन बन गया था? Just tell me. Who has been formed? तो यहां पे थोड़ा सा ओशियानिक वाटर फंसा हुआ है. It will convert into saline lakes. It will convert into, in the Leh Ladakh there will be what? Saline lakes है कि नहीं है? Yes. So they will be. So you can say that saline lakes are there, and in the ocean, and the ocean आप जाओगे the mountains में salt भी मिलेगा. And how do the salts are coming? Because यही जो deposit sediment हुआ in the ocean, that is getting into it along with the oceanic water. Understood? So I said that now in front of, अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, चलो यहाँ पे देख लेंगे. Now in front of Greater Himalayas what formed? Again four dip has been formed. Four dip बन गया. And when I have said that when the river is, suppose I said that when the river is moving, suppose I said that river is depositing sediment, and when the mountains are forming, बचपन में जैसे you have played with, when during the rainfall and channel develops and we try to dam it, तो dam करने के बाद क्या होता है? Others are uplifted, but जहां से channel move कर रहा है, this region has been what? Eroded. So other will keep on moving up. तो इसका मतलब है कि there is Ganga बोल रहा हूँ. I said that Indus, Satluj, and then I said that Brahmaputra and other river keeps on moving and depositing sediment. ये उठ रहे हैं, but they are keep on. So in front of Greater Himalayas, four dip has been created, and it has been deposited with the river sediments. It has been deposited with the. So this third stage is clear. Formation of first stage I said that geosyncline, meo-geosyncline. Second stage I said that formation of Tethyan Himalaya. Third stage I said that formation of what? Middle Himalayas, and that will form from the period of. याद होना चाहिए. Eocene to Oligocene. Now it is in a Miocene to Pliocene. Sorry, Oligocene to Miocene. Oligocene to. और अभी आपको बताया था Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene को क्या बोलते हैं? Paleocene. And Miocene and Pliocene is known as. And this kind of question has been asked. Neogene, Paleocene. So यहाँ दिमाग में रखेंगे, this Paleocene, Neogene is a part of what? Tertiary period. Yes. and now अब ग्रेटर मिडिल हिमालयस बन रहा है. दिस मिडिल हिमालय मस्ट बी व्हाट? पार्ट ऑफ नियोजीन एज वेल एज पैलियोसीन, दोनों पीरियड में बन रहा है. सो द स्टेज थर्ड, और यही सेम फिगर अब रहेगा जो ये फिगर दिख रहा है आपको यहां पर. इन द स्टेज थर्ड व्हाट वी आर फाइंडिंग, सॉरी फोर्थ, formation of middle Himalayas or lesser Himalayas or Himachal Himalayas. Understood? Formation of what I said that? Middle Himalayas. Yes, tell me, middle Himalayas or lesser Himalayas or Himachal Himalayas. So it is forming during which? Mid of Oligocene to, yes, mid of मायोसेन. इसमें क्या हुआ? इन फ्रंट ऑफ ग्रेटर हिमालय 4 deep has been formed. In front of greater Himalayas what has been formed? 4 deep, and then this 4 deep is deposited with the sediment, by antecedent rivers. समझ में आ रहा है? Role of antecedent rivers very high. It is deposited by which river? Antecedent rivers, which is flowing before the formation of Himalayas, and they are coming through the gorges. Deposited with the antecedent rivers, and now this deposited sediment or geosyncline through continental convergence, compressional force, converted into buckled fold mountain of middle Himalayas. तो यहां पर क्या हुआ? In front of greater Himalayas further there is a deposition of sediments further, and this geosyncline is further what is compressed into middle Himalayas. ध्यान से देखेंगे, here it is. और मुझे बताइएगा, जब मिडिल हिमालयस वाज फॉर्मिंग, देन ग्रेटर हिमालयस वाज अपलिफ्टिंग और नॉट? It was uplifting or not? The answer. So I said that, listen me carefully, when it is causing compressional force, then it will convert into middle Himalayas. Yes? Lekin this section will come here. And when this section will come here, it will further uplift middle Himalayas. Understood? Understood? Yes or not? And now middle Himalayas has been uplifted. Now tell me, what is fault? What is difference between crack and fault? Yes, what is difference between crack and fault? When along the cracks movement start, it is known as fault. When the cracks is there, दो चीजों के बीच में crack होगा, that is in a crack. But when the movement started, it is known as what? Fault. ध्यान से देखेंगे. I said that. अब ये fold हुआ तो ये ज्यादा जल्दी उठेगा. Yes or no? But its upliftment and its rate of upliftment दोनों difference होंगे. And दोनों के बीच में joint है. And joints means crack. And when it is uplifting differentially and when its upliftment is differential, तो दोनों के बीच में क्या बनेगा? Fault. Yes or no? Due to differential rate of upliftment between greater Himalayas and middle Himalayas, at the time of formation of middle Himalayas, there is a formation of fault between greater Himalayas and middle Himalayas, and it is known as main central thrust. It is known as what? It is known as what? NCT. क्योंकि ये उठा, and then I said that when it has been, so there is a what? Main central thrust and this main central thrust keep on आज भी वहां पर काम कर रहा है. तो when it is ना अभी भी it is keep on happening, then when Sivalik is raising, then the middle Himalaya is raising, and then what I said, that greater Himalaya. So between greater Himalayas and middle Himalayas, which thrust comes? Which fault comes? Main central thrust. Understood? So I said that this deposited sediment of geosyncline through the continental convergence compressional force converted into buccal fold of middle Himalayas. इसके बाद क्या होगा? At the same time, yes, tell me. At the same time, greater Himalaya has been further uplifted understood, but the rate of upliftment लिख लेंगे, but the rate of upliftment of greater Himalaya and middle Himalayas are different, that led to the formation of yes, main central thrust between GH and MH, greater Himalayas and middle Himalayas. Understood? Clear? And that has been happened during what? Stage 4, sorry. Formation of middle Himalayas, and stage 5. What is the stage 5? Stage 5 is the formation of Sivalik. Formation of Sivalik. And after the formation of middle Himalayas, and then I said that Miocene to mid of which one? Pliocene. During the period of mid of Miocene to Pliocene, the Sivalik is completely in the period of Neogene. In front of middle Himalayas, again 4 dip has been created, and this 4 dip has been again filled up with the antecedent rivers. क्योंकि वो तो गॉज बना के आ ही रहे होंगे when it is जो भी माउंटेन खड़ा होते रहे, and this 4 dip has been again filled up in front of the middle Himalayas, and at the continental convergence force, it has been buckled into which range? Sivalik range. It has been buckled into Sivalik range. It has been buckled into which range? Tell me first. Sivalik range. लेकिन जब ये fold होगा, तो this section will come here. This section will come here. Further, greater Himalaya and middle Himalayas will uplift along with Sivalik, but in differential rate. So there will be an active main central thrust between greater Himalayas and middle Himalayas, and between middle Himalayas and Sivalik there is a main boundary fault. Which fault comes? Main boundary fault. Understood? Clear? So I said that, तो देखेंगे क्या बन गया? Sivalik range has been formed, और जैसे ही बना there is a further upliftment of what?